So I tried Facebook groups traffic for 24 hours, and this is what I found. So this is profile, get a fair number of followers. A lot of it using this method, to be honest. So we've just gone to this one, affiliate marketing for beginners, and you can post or you can join this group. It's got quite a lot of members, 31,000. So take a look. There's some images. Um, it's a lot of posting, and I think a lot of them are scams. Not the posts themselves, but the comments and things like that. What that one's not too bad. Interested. I don't think just responded, which is strange. But so there's a lot of different uh, posts like this, and um, she's promoting two likes. There's not really a lot of engagement, apart from perhaps that first one posting some sort of thing where she's allegedly paid and things like that. So we don't want to do any of this. So we got into the actual group, the members, and this is what we're going to do. Um, so this is a method I've been using for a while. So you just add them as a friend. So this one here, yeah, you can message her. So you'd wait and to them accepting you as a friend, and then you would message them. And what I tend to do now, this is kind of the method that I use. So just open up ChatGPT. Um, only downside if you use a thread for a while, it gets a lot slower. So you type something like this. I'll just pause it for a second as I type it in. So someone's accepted my friend Chris on Facebook, give me a message, and then you just copy and paste it in. And you can do that for each message that they send. It's basically a genius, really. With the first message you write on ChatGPT, then it's not knowing what you're wanting, but after you write it's about business, then it kind of understands what is going on. So that, and we would maybe do that for, say, I won't send her a message just now. I'll actually just cancel that request. It wasn't. It's to give an illustration. So we would do that for 10 people a day, and maybe just chat to them about business, and Chat GPT will tell you when the right opportunity is to sort of pitch your idea. So that the kind of method behind it, we are treating them as a person, we are getting to know them a wee bit better, and they're getting to know us rather than just spamming a link, which either via messenger or just on some of these groups. Here's another one. See what's happening in this. It's always pitching ideas, and look, there's no engagement. That kind of proves my point. So I don't have an editing software to block things out, so I'm just kind of showing you when I do pitch to these people. I use System E, so I have a link track for Facebook profile, if they click my profile, Instagram, Pinterest, and one for Facebook friends. So when I've have pitched my business, when you've got to know them, there's been leads. So we'll just go over to that just now. Might take a wee while to load up, but we'll come back in 2 seconds. In fact, I'm not going to show you in the front page the actual, it comes up with their email address, so we won't do that. So the link we've got when we're speaking to people on Facebook is Facebook Friends. It should be there somewhere. Track quite a lot of things. We'll just, oh, so here it is. So they've clicked on the Facebook Friends link that I've sent them So 84 out of the 266 have opted in. So some may have just clicked on the link but not went any further. So that's counting as a click on the link, and 84 opt in that have opted into the email funnel, which is over 30%. So that's just successful as a really good soul ad. So it's just proven this method works. If you just chat to them and get to know them rather than spamming link, this method does work. If you want more like this, then check out our free training. It's on the inside, it's the link in description, and we'll hopefully see you there.